July 1863 was a turning point in the Civil War. In the East, Robert E. Lee had launched an invasion of the North on June the 3rd. His movement to Maryland and Pennsylvania forced the U.S. Army south of Washington, D.C. to react, moving northwest to find Lee and keep the Army between the Confederates and the capital. But on July the 1st, the two armies clashed at Gettysburg, starting a three-day battle, culminating in a decisive defeat of the Confederates on July the 3rd. In the West, the Vicksburg campaign was much slower to develop. Since December 1862, Ulysses S. Grant had been maneuvering to capture the last Confederate stronghold on the Mississippi River. Grant laid siege to Vicksburg in mid-May 1863, and on July the 4th, the city surrendered. With Vicksburg lost, the Union controlled the entire Mississippi and split the Confederacy. The two victories a day apart dealt a 1-2 punch that gave the Union the upper hand for the remainder of the war.